Shit. Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Gingerbread Man Scrap with Robin workshop. And in order to create this workshop, I used a lot of heat embossing. So every single card in here, I heat embossed, and you just get this real nice, sharp, the embossing. We have embossing wow, and I have been very impressed. It's a very white, very bright embossing powder that's very nice. But say for pretend you're not ready to invest in embossing, we have an alternative. So this is a white Stampin' Pad, and it comes blank and empty, and then it comes with a little jar of pigment ink. So you have to open it up, and then you have to spread the ink on there. And I spread on the whole bottle, so you feel safe doing that. And then what you do is you take your ink and your block, and well, actually, I prefer to go the other way. This pigment ink is very, very sticky, so it's a lot easier to dab it on. And this is such a big stamp in the first place that it just picks up the ink pad and then sticks to it. So that is no fun at all. So otherwise, it's just a regular old stamping your projects. And I am on a wavy table, so I don't know how this is going to come out. Press it down a little bit. I tend to squash it too much, and then what happens is you kind of squash the ink away. But what I did find, so this is okay. This is a nice, okay alternative to heat embossing. But I wanted to tell you, so I did these about 20 minutes ago. So this is inking it once with the white pigment. And then I inked one twice, so it's brightening up a little bit. And then I did one twice, then heated it with a heat gun, so it was completely dry within just a couple minutes. So this is far superior than the ones I've used in the past. So it was nice and dry. All of these were nice and dry within about 10 minutes. So that was nice. And then this is so stamping 3 times with a heat gun in between times 2 and 3. So this is a pretty nice alternative if you don't have the wherewithal or electricity, whatever, to do heat embossing. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.